In interpreting biblical literature, as in interpreting any body of literature, it's vitally important that we understand the literary genre or type of literature that we're dealing with. Otherwise, we will fundamentally misunderstand it. So, for example, when we read in the Psalms, "Let the trees of the wood clap their hands before the Lord," the psalmist is not trying to teach botany. This is poetry, and as such, it must be read in a figurative or metaphorical way. No one thinks that the psalmist believed that trees have hands. So it's very important that we understand the kind of literature we're dealing with. Now, where this really comes home to roost is in dealing with the first 11 chapters of Genesis. Are these to be interpreted as a literal, scientific, historical report of the primeval history prior to the call of Abraham? Or is this a type of literature that allows for the use of metaphor, figurative language, non-literal sorts of descriptions? It is vitally important that we ask that question of literary genre before we jump to an interpretation of these chapters.